Swing in Seattle, solo jazz 2. Let's do the Charleston. This is the little routine we put together to the Mint Julep Jazz Band's cover of Everything is Jumpin'. We had a few notable elements here. We had this little structure starting with a single kick with the right, going 5, 6, 7, and kick step, double kick step, rock step, kick step, double kick step, squat. We had a knee slap that we put in the basic going 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. We also took a look at a kick stepping pattern as we rotate around, kicking out on 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. The last piece is we introduced a little bit of the bee's knees, leaning forward as we open the knees up, going 6, 7, open, 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 and open. Now we put those elements together with the music.